Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze rows and columns in Excel. For example, here I want to freeze this entire top row. For that, first of all, go to View, then click on Freeze Pans option and select Freeze Top Row. Now you can see the entire first row is freezed. If you scroll down, you can see that the first row is freezed. And now if you want to unfreeze it, simply go to the freeze pans option and select unfreeze pans. And now you can see it is unfreezed. And just like that, if you want to freeze the first column, simply go to the view and then select freeze pans and select freeze first column. Now you can see the first column is freezed. And to unfreeze it, go to the freeze pans option and click unfreeze pans. And you can see here it is unfreezed. You can also freeze a certain number of rows and columns in Excel. For example, I want to freeze all the rows and columns up to G10 cell. For that, first of all, click on the G10 cell. Then go to View and Freeze Pans option. Then select Freeze Pans. Now you can see all the rows and columns up to G10 is freezed. So I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.